So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HT current user, and now you want to expand software, and now you want to expand Microsoft, and now you want to expand Windows NT. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows NT. You want to expand that, and now you want to expand current version. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. Now we're going to find Windows. Now once you find Windows, you want to right click on it and then click on permissions, and now this will come up. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And now once you're on this, you want to select all application packages, and you want to tick this box where it says full control allow. You want to tick this box, and now you want to click on add. And then once this comes up, you want to type in this box right here, everyone. You want to type in everyone and then click on check names, which will now underline everyone, and then click on OK. Now you want to find everyone right here, you want to click on it, and again you want to tick full control allow. Now you want to click on OK. For the next step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it, and then once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on P on your keyboard. Now you want to find print spooler. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic, and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and this should now fix your problem.